My lovely fans, a lot is happening behind closed door. Our ear don't follow. Hey, whoa. Hey, now so they do it for you. Ekwe suru masi mami water. All these people, oturumokbodo enter their brain. These are the kind of people, if there's, these are the kind of people, if fly perch them, they want to know where that fly for they come, the reason why the fly touch them, the reason why the fly they will fly. Oturumokbodo enter these people head. Mr. Obasi, tight your belt. Tight your belt. All the evil way that they do, I go they bring am, come give you. My lovely fans, a lot is happening behind closed door. As I dey talk to una so, una know say Juju Ekwesu sister dey for Abuja. She don't go Abuja now. Because if not, they are bomb, everything don't open. They need to restart and recalculate and redo everything. Because once they expose them like this, all the charms, everything will spoil. And so charm be. So those of una way they do charm, just know that the moment the person is being exposed, those charms they will spoil. The person need to redo those charms again. So the sister with the forces of the mother is not there, but she dey fly, they go for night. She dey fly, they go support for night. So Juju Ekwesu sister presently is in Abuja, and a lot is happening behind closed door. As I dey talk to una so, they dey pound through mokbo. They dey pound down, they dey cook am, they dey pound down, they dey cook am. A lot is happening inside Abuja house. If you reach the Abuja house now, you ask yourself whether na inside shrine na you dey or na house. If you see wetin they turn Abuja to, hey, so now this kind of human being, now you say make me do she follow, can't do co-wife. Can you imagine? If you see wetin dey happen, I no fit post am because they will get the resources from where it is coming from. I would have posted it, make una see. It go shock una if una see wetin dey happen for Abuja. If you see the way that they cook charm, they do juju for inside house. Hey, Mr. Obasi, tie your belt tight. Mr. Obasi, tie your belt tight am very well. A lot is happening, my people. Make una carry joko. It has happened. Mr. Obasi's son is missing. Mr. Obasi's son is missing. According to Juju Ekwesu's daughter, now know say one of their cousins dey there. That their cousin get contact with person wey get person wey no person. Person can't know person when we take the hear the details of what is happening there right now. As I dey talk to una so, Mr. Obasi's son is not in Abuja. The daughter of Juju Ekwesu say they wake up this morning and she couldn't find her brother. Now she can't go meet him mama say, he no see his brother. Where his brother? His mama say, this house they sleep. Now he can't tell say, he don't find everywhere. He no see him. He say so he can't call their cousin. Come ask and say, you see his brother? He say no. They begin find everywhere for his house. Now they can't tell Juju Ekwesu say, they no see him. He no dey house. Juju Ekwesu say, if he no dey house, go come back now. Maybe get where he go. He said the mother was not bothered. He said, I seen the house in mama. He said the eye where Juju Ekwesu's sister is the one immediately they look there. Hey! He said the eye where she said they look there as they talk. She no even talk anything. So, according to her, they wait. He no see brother. He they call his brother phone. His brother phone come the ring. Now he go where the phone dey. The phone dey his house. But the brother is not there. Now he come they tell him mama say, this thing is strange. His brother phone dey ring. And the brother no dey there. Juju Ekwesu come tell and say, he say I seen they tell him mama say, his brother phone dey ring. His brother no dey there. Mama talk something now. He no see his brother. He say now so he Mary is the one shout for her. Says the one shout for her. Say, will you live here? What did they do this one? She say they come here come play. And I say my brother, I not see my brother. Not be your brother you call her, not be your mama there. You see mama they panic. It does. If you not see your brother here, you not see her. Take her like that. He say mama no fit talk. He say now so Is the one shout for her. Now I come go his house. Now I come meet her cousin say, wetin dey happen? He cousin come tell her say, she sef no. She still sleep. Wake up this morning. He say now he cousin come tell her say, this morning around that kind after 3, she get up go piss. He say juju ekwensu and Eze wine they dey parlor, they do juju. 3 o'clock. He say they do juju. He say now he can't go piss, so he can't enter house, can't sleep again. He say now so she take wake this morning. He say as he wake this morning, he still can't meet them for that same spot. He say, do you know that since 3 o'clock, now those 2 people they do juju, they come, they never rest. Now he say no where your brother go. So Juju Ekwensu daughter now, the girl can't dey confused. She don't know what to do. The brother phone they ask, and the brother is nowhere to be found in the house. Juju Ekwensu not send. Eze wine Miri not send. 2 of them they just did there, they do their juju, they go. So Juju Ekwensu daughter, according to wetin they talk, the girl come dey inside room. Now she can't look and say no, something is happening. Make she go meet him mama. Make it question him mama. This will not be Eze wine problem. This is between her and her mother. Say she won't go meet her mama. Make mama tell her where her brother go. Her brother no fit just disappear like that. Something must be wrong somewhere. Now the girl go back. Say he won't go meet him mama. That is Juju Ekwensu. Make Juju Ekwensu tell her where they put their brother. As the girl they go, now he hear Ekwensu and his sister Eze wine when they talk. She said now so Eze wine they tell Juju Ekwensu say, make Juju Ekwensu not worry. By the time they finish this work, everybody go collect. Say make you not worry. Say Mr. Obasi want to step on your feet. Mr. Obasi want to destroy this marriage. A marriage where they go 7 sea come back for. A marriage where they visit all the strongest native doctor within Nigeria. Now Mr. Obasi fit say go scatter. Now they say Eze wine can't tell Juju Ekwensu say, make Juju Ekwensu relax. You see that his son, and that his son now go take pay for what he do. That his son, now they go take torture am. That his son, now they go take pepper am. Now he say Eze wine can't tell Juju Ekwensu say, the girl, the man not to send. You know, say Bome not send girls children like that. Now boys children, I be their mating. He said that boy owner, now they will fit a deal with Mr. Obasi. So by the time he come now, that boy own, now they will say attack him. She said this wicked is the one I they tell Juju Ekwensu say, this one I first son now. It not be like a star. Star not be you first son. Now he make you they do anyhow. If to say na star be first son, you for not they do anyhow now. But that one problem not dey. With time we not go give up. We not go give up. Star we still remain the senior son. He said, you see this Mr. Obasi, this is his first son. And you know what first son mean in Igbo land? Hey, the obi of the house. He said Mr. Obasi go hear him. Say if the boy dey around, it go dey very easy for her to collect. But where the boy dey now, they go cook am for there. According to Mr. Obasi daughter, he says the one I can't tell Juju Ekwensu say that place where they carry Mr. Obasi's son go so. Say na there na fit am. According to her, he said before Mr. Obasi's son go come, they don't cook am for there. They don't cook am. He said make Juju Ekwensu no worry. He said because these kind children, you know they talk say make I just carry they give their papa like that. They cook them. They go cook am. This boy go even be a spy for them. He say I think na children Mr. Obasi say he won't come carry. He say make he come carry children. He said na only one go run carry those children return come back. Children where you know they their life for how many years. You think you can just come and carry them. He say he is the one I call the tell Juju Ekwensu say this is the best thing so far. Make the fair go cook that boy. Make they go turn the brain. Make they turn the brain. All these kind of children, they know they live them like that. You go turn their brain. You go cook them. They go dey under you. Person mama oh. See wetin person mama they do pikin. Make the pikin for dey under am. Anything wey Juju Ekwensu tell them, now they go dey hear. for your own pikin. Imagine yo. He said Juju Ekwensu sister is the one. When they tell Juju Ekwensu say, by the time the baba don't do wetin he won't do finish, they will carry the boy come off Abuja. One dash shall never end though. He says the one when they tell Juju Ekwensu, say make Juju Ekwensu no worry. Say they go cook him. Say they go cook Mr. Obasi's son. They go cook and come. Obasi's daughter say na so in shock. According to her, with the things where she hear, when Augusta is the one they tell Juju Ekwensu. That means this early morning they put that boy for motorway, they go village. That boy now, they don't send that boy go village. Go meet Juju Ekwensu mama. They won't go cook him. They won't go prepare the boy. Because according to them, they don't know what will happen, whether Mr. Obasi will carry these children for their hand. So, in case Mr. Obasi won't collect these children, then they won't prepare the children for grant. They won't cook this boy for grant. Anything where Juju Ekwensu tell this boy, now he go they do. Any message where Juju Ekwensu tell him, now he go they go. So, according to them, they don't carry the boy. Go village, go meet Juju Ekwensu mama. Juju Ekwensu mama now he go carry Mr. Obasi's son. Go where they won't carry and go cook am. The daughter where they for inside, he say everything where they give her in the throw it. Everything where they give her. He say mama go carry white rice. He says his way is the wine come. They know they eat oil food. Everything are white that they eat because they do juju. They know they eat oil. They know they eat pepper. They know they eat leaf. They know they eat meat. They know they eat fish. Everything where they eat now just plain food. And that plain food, before they eat them, they'll first put them for where Juju Ekwensu sister, they do juju. If they put them finish, she do finish, they'll put something inside, they'll come give her. She say she know they eat. She'll carry her go inside room. She'll throw it. The time where Juju Ekwensu and his sister go take the parlor, they do incantation. She go run, go kitchen. She'll quick go do indomie eat. She say Juju Ekwensu's sister came prepared. She came prepared. Not just for one person. She came prepared for everybody. Even Mr. Obasi's children. She came prepared for them. So right now, Mr. Obasi's son, he know the Abuja. They don't carry and come off for Abuja. Mr. Obasi, tie your bets. The day where you won't go embrace that your children, make sure say you put something for pockets. Make sure say you don't want it. I don't want to call them because you yourself, you're strong on your own. You know the things when I talk. Put some things in your pockets before you go and see those children. So that any charm, anything when they with them, if you embrace them, you go neutralize it. Make sure you do these things in your pockets. Those things where they carry for body, where they scatter, spoil charm. Make sure say you hold them. The day where they go carry these children, can't give you. Because Juju Ekwensu's sister, we all know say she's not happy with Juju Ekwensu. She's not happy that Juju Ekwensu is doing better than her. Number one, Juju Ekwensu marry Mr. Obasi. Mr. Obasi do big marriage for her. Who more do people gather? Mr. Obasi do big marriage for her. But two, he and Juju Ekwensu go knock you. At the end, you choose Juju Ekwensu. She's not still happy. Even if she's pretending, she's not still happy. So that one a destruction. Now she did. But Juju Ekwensu no know. Say that her sister now destroy. Now I won't destroy her. Now just imagine. This woman now. Imagine your own sister. They tell you say maybe they use charm till they control your children. Because of Mr. Obasi. Not be spoil, won't spoil those children. Anybody where they use charm for, now know they see you. I know say you not good on you, but I can tell you for free, say charm join. Charm join wait till they walk you. Anybody where they don't use charm for, it take the grace of God for that person to be totally delivered. The person you can't do anyhow. You can't do anyhow because it's something against their spirit. Something against their spirit. My people, wonder shall never end. Juju Ekwensu's sister now just carry a bag, pack Juju, go Juju Ekwensu house for Abuja, begin go they do open shrine for inside Abuja house. They do Juju for them. You see and say this her sister don't wish her well. I know say Juju Ekwesu not good though, but I'm telling you for free that this her sister is a problem. This her sister, Juju Ekwesu dey feel say this her sister dey come save her. But no, this her sister is angry and jealous. This her sister is angry and jealous of Juju Ekwesu. And Juju Ekwesu be that she's a desperate woman. She wants everything. The sister, they use the opportunity till they scatter her life. Now so he scatter her marriage with Mr. Obasi. For year now, he won't scatter Mr. Obasi children. Now he make Mr. Obasi they fight for these children. As a parent, if you leave your children for person, if you leave your children for person, if that person they maltreat your children, the first sign where you go get, you go see person for dream. They'll come collect those children for your hand. You go they follow the person, they drag the pikin. The person go say no. For that dream, if you feel collect the children for that person hand, now be say those children that they punish them, but it's not is that they punish them, but it's not they serious like that. But if that person subdue you, you not feel collect your own children for that person hand for the dream. John no say your children, now let God go save them. So Mr. Obasi is somebody that is having the signs that his children are not okay. These people will destroy his children for him. Now he make the man they cry out. Give me my children. Now father instinct. Now they push Mr. Obasi. Say go collect these children. They won't spoil them. And be that Juju Ekwesu's sister know say if Mr. Obasi carry those children, Mr. Obasi go correct their brain from all the brainwashing of one imiri where they put for their head. This woman, this Juju Ekwesu's sister now want to spoil and condemn those children. Imagine person now, he come Abuja, they know they eat any food again. Only plain food now they give them. Like say na Mami Water Kingdom the day. Plain food. Say because they do juju. Me anything not spoil juju for us. And before they give her food, make she eat. Before they give this Mr. Obasi daughter food, make she eat. They'll first put something inside the food. This girl don't even know what they are doing there. Now the brother now, she don't put the brother for motor early morning. Don't put am for motor, carry and go Umoji. Now Umoji dey o, Mr. Obasi, they don't carry and go there. They won't go spoil your son. In the name of they won't baff am. They won't prepare am. True allow his sister carry the son, go put for car, make it they go village. You get mind, carry person pikin put for cars, make they go village, make they go baff am, make they go cook am. Wetin they won't cook? You see the reason why Mr. Obasi is crying for these children. Juju Ekwesu's sister want to destroy these children. He won't finish them. He won't finish them. So Mr. Obasi, now wetin they go on? Your son is missing. Your son is missing. They say he dey Umoji, and wetin your daughter say here where they talk. But who know from Umoji where they will carry and go? Will he still come back? Will he not come back? What are they going to do to your son? This is so painful, Now it make me dey feel for Mr. Obasi. Now it make me dey feel for her. Those children, they just want to condemn them. And Juju Ekwesu is not a good mother at all. Very yeyability mother. You don't even think of your own children. You don't even get feelings for your children. Now your sister will not see pikin born. Now you dey listen to. Say they treat your own children. You will call yourself a mother. Wonder shall never end though. Mr. Obasi's daughter say now different kind of juju. Different kind of juju they operate for there. Different pictures, everything. He say if you see shrine where they their house now, you will borrow leg room. Wonder shall never end. My people, leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.